Come on.
Empty. Hey, take your shit off, bro.
What do you mean? Bro, I wore that shit. I almost passed out.
Come on, my boy working over here. My boy working. Come on, guys.
Alex, if you don't want to see it, go. Put it on your face.
What are we doing?
Put it on your. Put it on your finger.
What are we doing?
He wants me to put it on.
Here. Put on my finger?
Yeah, and then show them.
Wait, is there a safety cap?
Oh yeah.
Oh look,
Yeah.
look, Lily. Details, guys.
You gotta open that.
Okay, guys, we just got to Daniel's place, and he's still running whatnot. I tried his new facial cleanser, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. But look at the setup, bro. This guy got a freaking couch in here. Oh my god! Look, this is the behind the scenes.
Dude, hey, last one. We're gonna run it again? We're ready to give away.
Boy, fire this guy right here, dog.
The 1-2 Vince stole it. I got robbed. Broad daylight. One more. Devon, one more.
Chat, say hi to the vlog. Yo. Oh my god.
Oh,
shit. Damn, chat.
Your chat is gonna be on the vlog. Damn. Okay, that's it for today. We're gonna do the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. You have about 4 minutes.
4 minutes. 4 minutes. Oh my god.
Hold up. Whoa.
Oh.
Okay.
This one is fire. This one gave me goosebumps. Where's mine at?
Dad, bro. Hold on.
Where's mine at? I don't know either.
Have a good Sunday. Have a good week. Fuck it. Make sure you kiss your baby. Get a nice sleep.
Kiss your baby.
He loves Kanye West.
That's Kanye West?
Yeah, that's Yeezy Gap.
Easy gap.
Oh, I didn't know.
Wait, try it.
No, I don't want to try that. Facility tour.
I don't know what the hell's going on right now, but I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you guys do, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. And thank you to the cameraman.
I kind of like it.
Hey, cut it, guys.
Behind it. The washer and dryer. You got my one?
Wait, how are you washing your clothes right now?
I don't.
Oh, this boy is healthy, bro.
Oh, shit.
Chobani.
Fruits.
Damn, boy.
Coconut water. I want spring water. I'm trying to get some water. Boy fridge.
I don't know the difference between spring water and whatever else water.
Dude,
these guys are boring,
bro.
dog.
Moment of silence. Okay, serious.
It's done.
No. You feel power? Yeah.
Show us his meat.
It's in a black bag.
Sketchy.
Put it. He got it from the hood, bro.
Assalamualaikum, brother. Assalamualaikum. I got it from the gas station. No, you didn't.
Okay, we're gonna go get some food. Wait, where'd my slipper go? What the heck? We're gonna go get the food right now. Can I show the vlog? Daniel was like, hey, I need some wheels for my G-Wagon, but
Yeah, hold on.
why buy wheels when you can make them yourself?
Come on. We have a whole scooter. No. Hey, get the details. Dreams don't sleep. Think about it for a minute.
Hey, this is nice.
This is hard. Hey, only one of one. You can't get these. I'm gonna cook for Alex. He think I'm his boo thing.
You're not?
Are you serious? I lied to you. I never cooked before. Trying to get y'all to eat healthy. Come on now. We got you.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna taste so good. And ladies, if you're single out there, right here, Daniel Liu. He's available. Come hard and come strong. Right? Is that your saying? What is it? Come hard and come.
Or don't come at all.
Or don't come at all. Oh damn. Yeah, don't come hard and don't come at all. Daniel, 2025. You want overseed in or how y'all want it?
Overseas.
Overseed? Yeah. That's just fire.
Can you explain what you're cooking right now?
It's a smash burger. Like a
Smash burger, but it's different.
Yeah, it's like you gotta put love in your stuff. Dude, I'm smelling all the flavors. I'm a true artisan type.
It does smell like an Asian burger.
No, I'm telling y'all, it's
I
like
got the
Asian mixed.
herbs in there.
My last girl, she missing out. You should saw Fernando's face. He's like, oh no.
Hey, what are you doing, man? That doesn't look right.
You help me, bro. That's crazy. Hold on.
No, look. This goes down. Yeah, it's the wrong way.
right, you want to see me mix it up?
Season it.
Boom.
Japanese barbecue sauce.
Is Japanese barbecue sauce?
Or what is this?
No.
Oh, yuzu citrus.
Yeah. Boom, this shit about to hit. My hands are clean, I promise.
Okay.
I don't think that's enough veggies, to be honest. Because I didn't think I was going to put that whole thing in.
Damn, that looks good, boy. Let that cool off a little bit. While me and Daniel are cooking over here, these guys are just laying down over here. You know what I'm saying? Not doing nothing.
him.
You did?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Go check with the boss.
Yeah, let me go check, bro.
I just looked up recipes from Gordon Ramsay and gave it to him.
What's going on, Daniel? What we doing over here?
Oh, we're gonna make the spinach garlic saute.
Alright,
Look, let me finish it for you.
Woohoo!
Dude, what are you doing? Hey, come here right now, bro.
Hold on, they're calling me, bro. They're calling me.
What is he doing?
We got onions, we got mushrooms, we got watermelon, got these over there. Hell yeah. Daniel just finished making this spinach. Looks nice.
Wait, what should I make my burger in?
I'm about to do a taste test on Daniel Lou's burger. Daniel Lou burger. This was made with D-Lou sauce.
I love.
Look at that. Look at that little cilantro hit that he added. I like that. Little bok choy. This is my first bok choy burger.
For real?
I've never had a bok choy burger.
Talking about the bun though. It's not the regular
Oh, the
bun.
bun is the Hawaiian roll bun.
Little barbecue sauce type shit.
Alright, let's go ahead and try this out here. Not bad.
No.
Thank you, sir.
What are you thinking?
Alright, it's really good.
It's good.
Why are you smiling at me like that?
No, don't lie to me. Fernando won't lie. Oh, we gotta get Fernando's reaction because he won't lie.
Yo, what it do is your boy Nandeezy. We got the Daniel Lou special over here, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I think he put aioli up in there, right?
No.
No?
No aioli.
No aioli? Hold
Unless it's on
on.
the other side. It might be on the other side though. On this side.
Hold on, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I got it. I see it. See it, bro. Just so y'all don't think I'm lying.
Wait, he ain't got a review yet.
Right there. All right, right there. Aioli, bro. Crispy, all right.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Is it? Good.
Look at it, it's so juicy.
Hold on. Second bite one.
No cap. They never had me cook before. Oh, you never seen me cook either.
Flavorful, juicy, crispy buns. You know what?
Get some asparagus.
It's good. Is it hella good? I think a little pineapple will fucking top it off, honestly, bro.
No, put some lime in it. Oh,
Yeah?
like real pineapple in it.
Yeah,
Put some lime in it.
that would be fire. Yeah, I give it a 8.5, dog. 8.5.
I take it. I haven't cooked for like a year plus actually.
Look at the drip, dog.
Yeah, so it's very drippy. Look at that.
But you would want.
This used to be her. Used to be her.
But you would want more.
We got Marley in the building, guys. He over here texting and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Let me see.
He also trying to Daniel Lou burger. Damn, bro, you got a haircut just to come here? That's crazy. Fresh ass cut.
Better than what we had at better than the other spot yesterday.
Oh yeah. For sure.
Tell us. What
lot
you
better, bro.
tasting? What you tasting? What you?
I'll give it a 9.
Oh, shit!
Damn,
It's good. I
okay.
like
Want
it.
me to cook?
You know who wants a free ad?
We got the fire already. You already got the fire on there. Make yourself one, do your burger.
Let me see. What you doing over there?
No. I'm doing
Hey, grill built by Nandeezy, bro. All right, your own reaction on the burger. Your own burger.
Marley said it was real good.
Let's see what it look like. Oh,
Whoa.
what do you think?
Fernando capping.
Well, you gave it an 8.5. What are we giving it?
He made the burger. Well, hold on. What
No,
do
it's
you
good.
rate
It's
it
good.
on,
It's
right?
good. It's real good.
All right, what do you give it out of 10?
Probably like 9.5. Yeah.
Man. Oh. Hey, listen, ladies, if you want somebody to cook for you,
No, I'm not capping.
9.5.
9.5. Damn.
That's close to mine.
Nope.
10.
Nope. Oh.
Yours is the highest.
You love Omar, right?
He's alright.
He's alright? Let me see the steak again, dog. Hold on. Ooh.
A little bit windy today, so we gotta partially cover this.
Bruh, you burnt a steak?
I wasn't paying attention.
You burnt the steak?
It's just a little crispy.
Nah.
The fire creeped up. The fire actually turned on.
Damn, bro. Hold on. This looks hella... Yeah, you're fired, buddy.
We're good.
You're fired.
You were actually supposed to be my assistant chef.
I don't ever want to see you again.
You were supposed to be my assistant chef. What were you doing?
You're underperforming.
Just wait. Wait for the taste test.
All right, bro.
We got Alex.
Here, Alex, for you, long and gritty.
Oh, there you go. Some weenies.
Thank you.
Some weenies. Put them on there, bro.
I can't.
Why not?
You can't mix pork with the halal meat. That's haram, buddy.
Oh, you're right. That's not bad.
You want
Hey.
to tarnish his dinner, bro?
Hey, can we put a hot link on that motherfucker already, cuz? You know what's worse? You holding the fucking pork, cooking a halal steak, and burnt it.
It's not burnt.
It's burnt.
Slightly charred.
It's hella charred. Huh? How do you feel about the your chef cooking with pork on his hand? In his hand right now as we speak.
I'm actually going out the way to not mix pork with your meat.
Very considerate.
Very considerate.
You know what I'm saying?
You think it's done?
I think it is. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
But you gotta let it rest for a little bit.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see.
Right. Let it rest for a little
Show the
bit.
people.
Oh,
show
nah.
the public.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it don't look that bad. It's only when you flip it.
Tell Daniel to garnish it again.
He wants you to garnish this again. I don't know what. Well, I'm not gonna cut it yet. It has to rest.
Butter.
We gotta rest
We don't
it.
got butter though.
Ain't no butter up in here, bro.
The truffle.
The butter with that? Oh.
You already put truffle on there, right?
Yeah. We're gonna put
He already did, I think. Or he's gonna add more, I think.
cilantro. Yeah. Where's the truffle? Cilantro with
Truffle is there.
2 pieces of roasted garlic.
Put it right through the center. I just want to see what it looks like.
Ooh, boy,
See?
Oh, you did that? Hey, that
Boy.
actually looks perfect.
Mm-hmm.
boy.
Doing numbers,
Hey,
easy.
hey, show us the bottom of that. Never mind.
Oh my god. Oh my
Wait, did you
god.
put the truffle oil on top?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Wait, everybody get a piece. Hold up.
GG's chat. Let's go.
Man, that look huge right here. Like right here, it looks just huge.
I'm gonna knife it.
Yeah.
You know it.
Aioli.
Whichever piece you want to try it,
For
man.
less fat.
Yeah.
This is good for me.
Mm-hmm.
Tied.
Damn. Teamwork. How was it though? How was
Yes,
it?
yes, yes.